Why is Dogecoin, why are these cryptocurrencies going down? In this video, I'm going to be answering and showing you why. We're going to be doing some in-depth technical analysis. I'm going to show you and teach you a few things, so make sure you stay tuned. So in my video, I called out a head and shoulders that was looking bearish. Honestly, I didn't think it was going to play out, but check it out what I said. Most importantly, just looking at the Dogecoin chart, we are still trading sideways, and it is looking potential that this could be a head and shoulders. We are at the neckline, so if we end up breaking out further, we could see a pretty decent dump. So everything is going down based on a couple of factors, especially the cryptocurrency market. Most importantly, not only are cryptos down, but the entire stock market is starting to head down as well. And this is happening because of the Fed chair came and spoke out saying that they're going to be raising interest rates, and that also inflation is beginning to go a lot faster than what they had imagined. If you're new to the channel, my name is Myles, and every day I make 2 videos a day covering Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. We do live streams. I teach you all how to do technical analysis so you can learn how to make money even when markets are going down. So if you want to learn how to make money in cryptos, you love cryptos, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. Additionally, tomorrow I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner. All you have to do in order to enter and to win is subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put something in the comments below, but stay tuned for my Instagram story tomorrow night where I will be announcing the winner. And if you love Dogecoin, you are a supporter of cryptocurrencies, this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that like button. Let's break the algorithm for this video so we can share this video to other people about Dogecoin. Let me know in the comments below, are we gonna start getting a bounce here pretty soon? Things are heading down and down, we're getting little bounces. Are we gonna get a bounce today? Are we gonna get a bounce tomorrow? When do you guys think we're gonna get a bounce after all of this dumping? Also, if you wanna get my daily profitable trade alerts, make sure you join the Patreon, which is linked in the description below, where we have a 4,000 member Discord. I do coaching, I can help to build your portfolio, and much more services. All right, so let's have an overview of the whole crypto market. Let's see what's really happening. So we had Bitcoin down today, 4%, Ethereum down 5%. We were down a little bit more. Binance Coin about 4%, Cardano 4.5%, Dogecoin 4.5%. Everything is kind of looking the same here. And let's specifically click on Dogecoin. Let's see. The trading volume is it's actually up 44%. But why are we going down? It's because there's a lot of people selling, a bit of panic selling. There's a bit of fear in the market, which we're going to be taking a look at. But there's also a lot of people buying dips. So that's when you'll see the trading volume up. There's also a lot of people shorting. Whenever the markets are down, people are shorting. They're trying to drive these prices down. And I'm going to show you why exactly they're doing this. So most importantly, the main reason why cryptos are going down is because there's a huge options expiration today. About $520 million worth for Bitcoin. It's not including Ethereum, it's not including Dogecoin, not including any of these other cryptocurrencies. But generally, when there's a huge options expiration date, they do expire on Fridays. Some Fridays are more or less. Generally, the last Friday of the month has the most money in the options and futures and a bunch of things going on. So there's people betting on these cryptos to go up or down. And some people, they can short, which means they're betting that cryptos go down. And if they do go down, they make a lot of profit. And there's also people going long. So if they bet that it goes up, they can make a lot of money as well. But the thing is, when people are shorting, the lower their number gets, with the lower the price goes. If you're shorting something, the more money you can make. So when the prices are down a lot and more people are shorting than going long, and people can be more profitable, a lot of people will cause these dumpings. They'll cause fake news to come out on the day of the expirations or the days close to it to cause the prices to come down. That's why we're seeing a lot of downwards pressure. There's a lot of whales. They're trying to sell and they're trying to cause all this FUD. They're trying to bring the prices down a lot so that they can profit a lot. But after the options expiration is over with, then you'll see a quick rebound in the market, a quick bounce, which we might be getting here pretty soon. It is Friday, so I think we will be getting one here any soon. I've been watching the charts all day. I'm waiting for these bounces. We did announce a buy alert in the Patreon, which is going to be very profitable, but we're waiting for a really big bounce, which should be happening here very soon. My speculation is if it doesn't happen tonight, I'm pretty sure it's going to happen after significant drops. There are significant bounces. It happens every single time. Whenever you see a huge drop, there will be big bounces. So if we don't get a bounce tonight, which I think we will, most likely either by Saturday or by Sunday by the latest. But remember, cryptos can surprise us. They can go down further. They can go up faster than we can ever imagine. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion over my many years of investment and trading experience. So here we're going to take a look at this chart, and this shows the long versus short ratio. And what we are actually seeing is This is actually a Dogecoin chart. We're seeing a lot of people, more so than going long, actually shorting things right now. Bybit is starting to go up. People are starting to buy the bottom right now as we speak on the 5-minute. I want to go to the 1 hour, but we're still seeing a very strong, consistent amount of shorts over longs. And this is for Dogecoin. And let me go ahead and also show you Bitcoin. Most importantly, we're seeing a lot of shorts in Bitcoin. They're seeing a lot of people trying to short Bitcoin. A lot of people are already in profits by shorting Bitcoin. So that's what's bringing these prices down further. And then once you see a bottom, you'll see this thing start to flip. There's going to be more longs, more people jumping in to buy the bottom, to buy that bounce. So here it is, just like I said. The Fed's Powell predicts transitory inflation, but warns it could be higher than expected. So this type of news is not good for the stock market. I would not recommend anyone to be in the stock market, especially with the dollar collapsing. With the US dollar, the inflation rate is just going through the roof right now. That's why things are getting so expensive. So that's not good for the US dollar, not at all. And these cryptocurrencies, they can't be inflated, especially to a degree that the US dollar is inflated. So this is going to cause a massive exodus from people from, stable for the US dollars, from fiat currency over to cryptocurrency. And it's just starting to happen. It's really going to start a massive chain reaction, which is going to take some time. It's certainly going to take some time. But this type of news causes the stock market to come down. When the stock market comes down, generally the stock market will bring the cryptocurrency market. Sometimes it's different. Sometimes the stock market can be decoupled from the crypto market. And even when the stock market goes down, there's going to be a time when it's going to happen. The stock market is going to potentially crash or go down. And you'll see cryptocurrencies start to go up because people are going to be moving their money from stocks and bonds over to cryptocurrencies because they're a better performing asset and more stable, and they produce more profits faster. And this goes to show you that there's market manipulation. When big money, when they're buying and doing things, when they're buying Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these things, but they're telling you not to buy it, it's not good. That shows you market manipulation. Here's the clearest form of it. Look, Goldman Sachs analysts divided over whether Bitcoin is an investable asset class. So here we have the Goldman Sachs guy. He's flip-flopped again, declaring, again, look, he flip-flop again, declaring cryptocurrency assets an unworthy investment. And the same week, it expands its options trading desk. So here they are, they're expanding their options trading desk to buy Ethereum and Bitcoin and more cryptocurrencies to provide that to their clients. But again, a couple days later, they come out and say, oh, actually, we changed our mind. Cryptocurrencies aren't good. Stay away from them. That is the purest form of market manipulation. These are the people that have been guilty. All of these big institutions have been guilty over and over again of market manipulation. And market manipulation, these type of news articles causes FUD, and they cause people to sell, which brings the price down. And at the same time, if they're saying that they're getting into these cryptocurrencies, they're buying these things from you when you sell, when it gets cheap. That's their plan. That's their strategy. That's how whales make money. And take a look at this. This is the crypto fear and greed index. Here we are seeing we're back into extreme fear. Yesterday we were in fear. We are starting to actually move up into greed. But here we have some more FUD and more news coming out. It's because of the Fed chair came out speaking about inflation and interest rates. So nothing to worry about. This is just some short-term volatility. So don't focus on the short-term volatility. Focus on the big gains that we're going to be having towards the end of the year, in the next couple of months, maybe in the next couple of weeks. And if you want to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, use my iTrust Capital, which is linked in the description below, where you can trade cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin tax-free. Highly recommend checking it out. So here we have the Dogecoin price. We're just going to be looking at Dogecoin, and we had that big rise all the way up to 44 cents. And ever since then, we've came down. We've been in a downtrend. We've had a couple of opportunities where we kind of bounced off of this support that was up in this level, and we bounced off of it 3 times, which I was hoping for that triple bounce, but we did have this inverse head and shoulders. If I zoom in, you're not able to see it very clearly here, which is a bearish reversal pattern. I did see it, but because of the good news that was coming out, I was expecting, regardless of the TA, a bounce there, which did not happen. However, we are getting a precise touch and bounce on this level of support, which has been a very strong level of support for Dogecoin, the 28 to 39 cent level of support. This is an area. Remember, support levels are not an exact number, they're an area. And generally, most of the time, when Dogecoin does come to this area, we do get a lot of bounces. Look, I can even bring this. Look, I can even drag this support line here, and this is a daily chart. So if I zoom in, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And let me actually use the rectangle to prove my point even further. This entire area, look how many times we've been in this area. We've traded in this area. We've bounced off of this area. Especially the last couple of times we've had some significant bounces off this level. And if I zoom in all the way, or if I zoom out, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've had 6 really big touches here, and every time we've touched this level, we've had a huge bounce. Boom, boom, huge bounces right there. Even gains of 66% when we went from 28 to 44 cents. We did that very quickly. So just to show you that the crypto market, look, 60% gain. We now set in the Patreon to buy here at 28 cents, and we went all the way to 44 cents, which you had the opportunity to sell and make some profits. So historically, what technical analysis is, it doesn't tell you exactly what's going to happen, but it's a game of probability. It can show you that there's a strong probability that we will most likely be bouncing off of this level. However, if we don't bounce off of this level, we can come down and test further levels of support, which will be precisely 25 cents to 26 cents, and then we have 21 cents. So those are the next strong levels of support. I'm not sure if we will break below 28 cents because we've had a strong historical bounce here, but I'm thinking if we do break below, we'll probably touch somewhere between 25 and 26 cents. And that's probably, based on the market, and if it's starting to look like we're going to recover and get a retracement or a bounce there, I'm sure that would be a huge profitable gain there if you were to buy it at 25 cents. And if we were to break lower to 21 cents, I will be buying that area 100% sure. And I will be buying 25 cents. These are for sure. I've even bought at this level today, but there's a couple more levels that if we break down below that and then the market starts to recover, and when the market does recover, Dogecoin will most likely get back up to the all-time highs here pretty soon, maybe in a month, maybe in a couple of months, maybe 90 days. But if you were to buy at 22 cents, 25 cents, 28 cents, those are some pretty serious gains to be had, especially if Dogecoin by the end of the year hits a couple of dollars like a lot of people and experts are speculating. And if you want to get 4 free stocks worth up to $4,000, use my WEBULL link, which is also linked in the description below. All you have to do is deposit $100. They will send you the free stocks, which you can immediately sell, buy cryptocurrencies with it or stocks, or just send it to your bank account. If you got something out of this video, I would ask that you please like this video, share it with some of your friends and family, put it on Twitter, and put something in the comments below. Let's have a conversation. And I will see you all tonight. Have a good day.